Each lava drop is built with modern technologies and precision craft to gain the final and perfect result of collectible, functional art piece. Nature is probably my main source of creativity. I always wanted to connect human with nature. I was thinking about an object as a mediator between those two living organisms. I found a way to implement that by creating musical instruments from nature resources, rare wood, various metals, amber stones, even meteorite from the atmosphere. Each material blend together in a combination of authentic tone, comfortable playability, and aesthetic design. The most interesting part is that each material has its own sound profile, and that sound could be tamed in a musical instrument. Lava Drops' mission is to inspire creativity. X Design is a reliable and huge platform that helps to implement that through various stages. We use X Design in a combination with SOLIDWORKS to gain the perfect result for inner collaboration by building and creating instruments to the end customers. So for us, X Design is a multifunctional tool, from ideas to the model simulation and from the model to the final product. Organic designs inspired by aesthetics of nature meet modern technology and the future. With the sound and form of lava drops and with the help of X Design, we create emotions.